Yo, hello guys, and welcome back to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can join friends world. So, for example, I will be your friend, and you will be my other friend that want to join my world. I will be explaining everything from zero to from A to Z until you be good to start playing with your friends. So, let's get ahead and slash time set or something like that. Let's make it like that. Slash time set 0 and difficulty peaceful. So I'm playing on hardcore for some reason, that's why I can't change the difficulty. Never mind. Okay, so let's say for example that you want to join me as your friend. You want to see my world, you want to see everything I did in my world, or the reverse. What you have to do, or what I have to do as your friend, is click on here. For example, I did a mistake. I have to open my world again just to show you everything. What I have to do is click on open to LAN, this port number, copy it, or click on Hollow Sheet and start LAN world, and they will give you this. Click to copy to your keyboard, and then what you have to do is give it to your friend. Just make sure that you are both on a local connection, like the same connection that you both are using, so you will have the same IP. If otherwise, to join to join his world, you have to to buy a server from any hosting on the internet, and then you can just download or upload his world to the hosting files, and then you will be both of you able to join that world. So let's go back to the first method, which is just copying this one, and then after that you go to multiplayer, add the server, and then you type the IP that you have and 2 points. After that you type this port that you have here, and just like so you'll be able to join your friend's world. And just like so, if your friend closes his world, you will not be able to join it, and each time he opens his world, he must give you the new port that he will get by the end of the time. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next video. Bye bye.